Microsoft recently decided to change the way how Office products interpret a text coming from external applications. This may cause phrases to be pasted without the formatting stored in PhraseExpress. To fix this, click on File in any Office program and select Options. Then switch to Mail and to Editor Options on the right. Then go to Advanced. You see it's quite buried, and scroll down until you see the section Cut, Copy and Paste. This section defines which formatting should take effect if you copy and paste formatted text either within the application or if text is coming from other programs. In this case, PhraseExpress is another program for Microsoft Office. The new default setting, which may have changed even in your existing installation, is merge formatting, which means it takes the formatted text of PhraseExpress and takes the basic formatting, but applies the local template of Office products. If you want to keep the original PhraseExpress text formatting, you need to change this to Keep Source Formatting. Confirm with OK and close the options. Now if you paste text from PhraseExpress, it should maintain the original formatting as defined in PhraseExpress.